Good morning, all. Ira Epstein with a packed full of news day today for this Thursday, the 14th of October, 2021, just around 8:30 a.m. Central Time. All right. Bank earnings day. They came out. Every bank that I'm watching has got blowout earnings. They're all up today. The last one that remains, Goldman Sachs tomorrow. If that follows suit, we'll see what happens. But that added to the Dow. As these numbers have come out, you're getting them all running. Another event taking place today. Probably waking up and looking at the news, you're seeing John Deere, 10,000 workers went out on strike. So now we have Kellogg. They've got workers across the country on strike. UAW, and guess what? Now in Hollywood, again, we're going through the situation, and there could be 60,000 of these people across the country where they're going out on strike. They want more pay for certain lower paying jobs and so on. This adds to what? The story of the inflation. And the one thing that is not transitory is wage inflation. You don't give raises and then pull them back. It doesn't work that way. So that's the first thing that you've got to look at, just how is the Fed going to look at all this? In the meantime, when I tell you all that, why the heck are we seeing interest rates drop? And yet that is the scenario there. Energies, well, they've gotten up high enough. Don't be surprised if you get a little bit of profit taking. That doesn't mean the run can't continue. Look at nat gas, up 22 cents. So this market looked cheap for a moment. It's taken off. In Chicago, they're preparing us that our nat gas bills for the typical home for the winter period is going to be up over 33%. Whoa, that gives you an idea. Grains, a dead cat bounce, probably still harvest pressure and the like weighing on that particular market. As you step back, you see the dollar slightly lower, a little bit of a rally going on here. And look at the copper, up another 10 cents. I wrote yesterday a lengthy report on copper explaining what's going on, and it's got all the elements of a squeeze play. And that's where people start taking out the physical delivery elements, be it London, the U.S., and they don't make that available to the hedgers, and that drives price up. We'll see if that's it, but I smell that that's it. When you look at the other news of the day, the U.S. PPI numbers, well, they didn't come out hot. And that's got the stock market happy. They're looking at them up 0.5%. They are up 0.6. The September PPI ex food and energy up 0.2. They expected it up more than double that. And personal consumption, the consumer's still out there buying. Weekly jobless claims, I didn't show the continuing, and they too were falling. Down 36,000. They were looking for a drop of 18. So does this mean people are coming back into the workforce? Yes, but it gets countered with the strikes that are going on. Petroleum stocks come out this morning. The API numbers were more bullish than this. We'll see if that catches up. Then when we get over, and let me step back here for you, to the nat gas, they're looking for a build of about 98 billion cubic feet. The norm at this time of year is about 78, so it's a little bit more going in there. The Chinese economic data, well, not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Look at food prices. Remember, they were soaring. Remember their pork supplies and so on? That's come down. I point this out all the time because China's one of the economic engines. We need them to be in good shape for the rest of us to be in good shape. I like very much what the president did yesterday in trying to get opening up of the supply chain blockage that we have. We need more drivers. That's going to be the key thing. Does the government ever consider putting on maybe some of the army people the way that they did in Britain to get things moving? I don't know. But you got to come up with something creative to get this moved out of the ports and get things back to a level where the port traffic, you get rid of the backlog and maybe you can deal with the normal traffic coming in. I'm just floating an idea out there. Don't know how you'd use them, what you would do, but you got to be creative. You got to think out of the box in elements like this. And, you know, when I talk thinking out of the box, as you watch me, you want to learn about technical indicators. I hope you do because they drive the market. If you want to, we have guides to technical indicators, volumes 1 and 2, full color. We made them into a PDF from our good friends at Modern Trader Magazine. And what they do is, I think these are the best ones out there. I have looked at what the exchanges do and so on. Folks, I think these are the tried and true ones. Gives you all these ideas. It's free to you. All you need to do is go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. Now, there's a new look to our website. When you look at the top, you'll see the free offers on one of the lines right up there. If you have questions, call my staff at 866-973-2077. And most important, have a great trading day. I'll see you this afternoon.